So hi friends, welcome to my unboxing experience. I just really want to bring back the joy of unboxing something new, and it feels sometimes like meditation. So for this time I have this Brick Sketches, a series from Lego, and this is the cooperation with Disney, Mickey and Friends. So let's do it basically. I really want to make it so authentic as possible. So I'm not using some sharp things. Probably I should, but sometimes I just don't have stuff. So what's inside? Little parts. There's some QR code. So we got like these parts. Okay, then. What the book says. Some time ago was part artist group social media platform. I really like these instructions. Alright, let's do it. So, what are they saying? It's better to make them arranged. Yeah, so I try to do it, sort of. So I'm going to open them and sort them. Oh, something. Found. You really need to be careful. Okay. All right. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Let's make it a little bit more. to move you. I like to bring order to things, so kind of bringing order to this. Like this. Still some black parts remain. Okay, let's do it like this. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let go, let go. Nothing more to say. I just want to stay. I just want to stay. I just want away. There's something here. And here. Yeah. Got it. I just remember this used to be the blazer of the helicopter a long time ago. I remember because I was keeping losing them all the time, and just recent memory. Raton Mickey, Cabron, que Cabron, Mickey Mouse, Mouse. I really like building things. I really like unboxing things. Can you hear it? Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's make this one. Whites are here. Let's move them here. Keep trying. Keep trying. Oh. Keep having fun. Right. Not that great arranged, but at least we see what is what. And we have some groupings. All right. Last one to be opened. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. Oh yeah. This is what must be somehow recycled. Put it away. Ooh. This is the last one. Yeah, put it here. Was? Oh. Oh. Oh, this life. Okay. Instructions say first part is this. This is the first part. Should be connected with these two parts and these two parts, if I'm not mistaken. So I take this and I make this. And if I compare this to this picture, then hopefully we are on the same boat. Yeah. Okay. Next page. Oh. So I take this and I take this. I think it's okay. Now and now keep rolling. You need these two ones. The beautiful magical bricks. And you make like doom 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 doom. And you make this. And you make this. Yeah. So it says you need 4 more of this. Yeah. And you make and you make this. And you make this. And you make this. And you make this. Now you need this yellow one and these two helicopter blazer. Hopefully I said it good. I don't know. The most important part of building is to have fun. It should never feel obligatory. It should never feel forced. It should be fun. If it's not fun, then probably do something wrong, but fun can't be forced. So basically, if that is here, you probably should switch to another activity. That's all I can recommend. So 2 more this one. 4 times. So 2 more. Lego bricks. Lego. Yeah. So we are on the page 11, and we are gonna turn to the page 12, and we are gonna do this one, and you have now these 4 small bricks that are making other sound. It's more like, it's very high-pitched voice. Where everything falls right into the place. Now I need 2 of black ones. Yeah. Now this is how it should look like. If you follow the manual, you see this and you see that. And this should be 1 to 1, all the same. And now we are going to take the last brick of the blue section and put it here. Put it right here, and then the two of these ones here and here. And now, no, you take these 2 ones, the almost circles, not circles, here and here. Yep. And now take this, you take this, and you take this. 1, 2. It starts to look like Mickey. That's Mickey's skeleton. Mickey's skeleton. Not Skeletor. Not what? No, what? Us. So I take this one. I do this. Now I take this. And this. Mickey. Yep. Yeah, Mickey. Hopefully didn't forget anything. Now you take the two circles. You take the two circles, but this is how his ears were born. Oh, yeah. Oh. I do it horizontal, vertically. Perfectly okay. And now I take this one. Should be this. Oh. Should be this. It should be there. Should be here. Oh, I see you, Mickey. You're still kind of not complete, but I can see your face already. Turn to the page 22, and there are some additional things. So I take this one. My chair is doing weird voices, but it somehow belongs to life. This. And yeah, Mickey, I see you. Now you should turn this and do this. One. It's again. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Voila. Page 24. No, I should still turn it upside down. Just this. Oh. What? Yeah. Sorry. Okay. And now 2 of these should be placed somewhere here, and 2 of not 1 of these should be here. Yep. And 2 of oh, the ear is somehow unstable, but it will be fixed soon. Just you have to be careful. The ear keeps falling. It's Mickey van Gogh. Mickey van Gogh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Next page. 26. 26. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These parts. What are you now? What are you? Should be okay. Page 27. It says this should be somehow edit. Okay. So let's edit. Oh, the ear. The ears! Come on. Something is wrong. Yeah, this works. But the ears keep falling. The ears keep falling, sorry. Okay. Mickey's ears are somehow unstable. Mickey, please be a good boy. Okay, now there is something else to add. So you take these two, and you take this one red, and you take these two, and you take these tubes, and these two tubes should be interconnected with this. Got it. Oh! 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 Sorry. Sorry. Small accident happened. Small accidents. That's life. As already mentioned, that's life. Raton Mickey. Mickey Mouse. I prefer Donald Duck, to be honest. Donald Duck is the best for me. But I know Mickey started legacy, so he deserves big respect. But Donald Duck somehow, and DuckTales and everything, somehow closer to my heart. Somehow closer. Oh, this should be somehow connected, and I had no idea how. I have to read the manual. So this is how it should look like. I know what I did wrong. This should be like this. Be careful, because these ones should be placed like this. If you hold it in your hand, it should be like this. Quick. And now it should work. Oh no. Wait. I just. Oh. I got it, what it is. You know, this is what it is. It is what it is. But I wanted to demonstrate this sound one more time. If you put it like this, oh, and now you should just gently push, yeah? Now, look. Okay. Raton Mickey in his best shape. Now you should take these 4 little grenades. These 4. And you can put them like this. 1. Pretty easy. 2. You know, if there is a heaven, then I imagine myself building one Lego set every day. I don't know, there are no days in heaven, probably, because there is no more cosmic entities rotating around something. But I just really would like to stay with the fresh young energy of building Lego. That's magic time. Like, I always, when I was child, when I was thinking about my adulthood, I just imagined, oh, I would never play Lego again, because that's like not for adults, and I should hurry up. I should enjoy this moment, because when I'm adult, I'm never gonna play it again. And you know what is great about being adult? You can decide what you do. And if you really liked something, you can come back to it. You can enjoy. You can enjoy even more, because in this stage of life you realize how precious is to have parts that are like you can put them together and in the end it works. And you have manual. In life you don't get any manual, so it's nice metaphor for very playful but yet very uh, very nice and cared about life that you are not going to have once you reach adulthood. It's more, being adult is more like having to learn fight with some things that you would never consider to be necessary to fight with, but yes, that's being adult. But I really have good memories about being the time about being child, but it's very great to be adult and to have control over your life. That's, I always feel sorry for the kids who live this life way too soon, and they never reach adult age, because in this age there are things that somehow bring you your childhood back, but with very different optics, and it's experience that I wish everybody have. Like I wish nobody lives sooner before this experience. Yeah, sometimes I'm worried about being old and having no more energy, but maybe in that age, if I reach it, I will say like I really wanted to have also this in my life. Like I wish it's like that. I'm sure being old also have some big positives. There are some things in life you just need to accept. That's one of them. And the second thing that is bothering me, besides getting old one day, is this is somehow not working. I have to think why, because the manual showing this exactly this, so something is not on its place. Should I change this? Should I change that? I don't know. Okay, this belongs here, but that doesn't have any connection to this. This should be a little bit closer according to drawing, and because of that this is not going to its place. I don't want to force it, but always when it cranks oh, we got here some, maybe I did something wrong. Mickey. Okay, not a big deal, but actually big deal, because okay, probably should read it more carefully. Probably should be careful. What? Okay, I'm just gonna continue. If this doesn't work, it's okay. It's not a tragedy. Oops. And I'm just go. I really liked the movie, Captain Marvel. I liked when she was fighting the soldier from her planet. The music, that was the perfect. It was perfect choice for music. Oh. Oh. Shaky, shaky. Yeah, I'm back. What? Wait. Now I have to be careful. There are some things that were maybe unseen. Okay, this is important. And now I really don't understand. Because this should be here. But then this doesn't work. So how is this? Ah, that's the thing. Okay. Sorry. My bad. Now it works. Yeah, doesn't need to be forced. Or it looks like. I did it. I did it wrong. Sorry, but yeah. Sometimes I'm recording this, so maybe I was not that careful with instructions. So I was thinking like Lego would never do this because their production is so big. Like I knew I'm doing it wrong, but I didn't know where. So yeah, sorry. Maybe you experienced also sometimes. It was not. Sometimes you just do something wrong, and you just need the time to figure out, I'm doing it wrong. But doing things wrong is okay as long as you want to fix if you do something wrong. That's life. As long as there is a will to do things right, to do things better for well-being of people around you. Click, clack. Yep. Shut. Wait a second. You want to take me my pleasure of building? Don't do it, man. Because you will have a problem. Oh, Mickey, I see you. I start to see you, even though I am not the biggest fan of yours. But I understand your role in history. I used to buy the comic book called Mickey Mouse, but then they changed the name to Donald Duck, and I was okay with that because I really like Donald Duck. I like DuckTales. DuckTales to me is one of the highest art form from Disney. To me. I understand if someone sees it differently. You see how his nose is formed. Hi, my friends. 0 views. No, as long as one person enjoys it, and that's me, then it has sense for me to do this. As long as there is one person enjoying. Oh, nose. You see his nose? You can move his nose. You can move his nose. Okay. And yeah, should be like this. It says it should be like this. Really? No. Should be like this. Something is not correct here. Or probably it is. Yeah. So these are just. His nose should be like this. Really? That's weird. Is his nose supposed to look like this? Something's wrong here. I don't know. Wait. I just want to check. No, it's okay. Maybe the photo is a little bit different. Maybe I'm crazy. It's okay. But I really I like him more. Okay, I like him more when his nose is like this. When his nose is like this, it creates this thing which is not, which should be visible. Okay. And there are three little parts that are probably like remains. I used to, if there are such a parts, I used to keep them in my wallet. Yeah. So if you check my wallet, like there are some Legos inside. You will see something like this and something like this, and it's from that. Okay. And the last instruction says like I should put it, you know, like this. So let's put this to my wallet. I can pay with it maybe. Yep. And this is Mickey, the legend of Disney, the one who started it all, the one who deserves respect, and the one who had collaboration Lego. Was it Lego? I call it Lego. Yeah. And I really enjoyed this, so I put it on Zoom. So this is Mickey. This was my unboxing experience, which is always even better than boxing, because when you are boxing, you can punch some people and be happy that you gained some points. But unboxing, such beautiful things, there's always pleasure, that always reconnect you with your childhood. So this was unboxing of Mickey. Thanks for being with me.